Reporting here live from April's kitchen. Are you ready? Let's go make some green season. Things first, we want to get these washed and clean. This here is a leek. People do use different types of ingredients. It depends on where you are from, what country you're from. Haitians call it epi seasoning. Jamaicans, I believe, call it the green seasoning. Now, some of the ingredients you might not find in a regular supermarket. You might want to go to the international store to find it. I use all of the green onions. Just take away the bottom. Peppers, some people use multicolored peppers. I just use green and red. Now these are habaneros. I'm using habaneros. You can use other hot peppers. I'm just going to take the stem off. I'm going to use onion. And we have some parsley here. I will be using some cilantro. So everything has been cut up and we're ready to put it in your blender or your food processor. Okay, so now we are ready to proceed. I'm going to do a little bit at a time. Just to get it going. I'm also going to put some garlic in there and get it in there. I'm going to add in a few cloves, just a few. Here you have it, your green seasoning. You can use this for all your holiday seasons. It lasts in the fridge for up to 4 months. And in the freezer, it lasts even longer. Starting off here at April's Kitchen,